Hey, so we're looking at this problem. It says -3 plus 10x is equal to 8. So when we're looking at problems like this that ask us to solve for x, we're trying to get this x variable right here by itself. So the way I've always remembered doing this is I'm going to start by drawing a little line here. Alrighty. Everything that I do to the left of this line with the -3 plus 10x, I have to do to the other side with this 8. So if I have over here, let's say 7 equals 7, I can add 3 to both sides with my little line here. I can add 3 to both sides and I'm going to get 10 is equal to 10. I still keep my equality. It doesn't matter what I do to both sides as long as I do the same thing to both sides. So with this same thought in mind, over here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to add 3 and I'm going to add 3. That way right here, this -3 and this +3, they're going to give me 0. So then I'm going to be left with -3 plus 3 plus 10x equals 8 plus 3. Alrighty, we already said right here, these are going to cancel. So we're left with 10x equals 8 plus 3 is 11. Alrighty, then we'll draw my little line again. Whatever I do to the left side, I have to do to the right side. I'm going to divide by 10 so that these 10s right here will cancel. If I divide by 10 on this side, I have to divide by 10 on this side. So these 10s are going to cancel. And I'm going to be left with x is equal to 11 over 10. And I'm going to box it in red real quick. And then over here to the side, I'm going to check and make sure that this x value works. Just to kind of check myself. So we had our original thing was -3 plus 10x equals 8. So I'm going to plug in 11 over 10 for my x. In the earlier problems, it would say evaluate this expression for x. I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm going to just check my work to make sure that I get the same thing. So I get -3 plus 10 times 11 over 10 equals 8. Alrighty, this 10 and this divided by 10 are going to cancel. And I'm going to get -3 plus 11 is equal to 8. I'm going to put a question mark because I'm checking to make sure that this is right. All right. -3 plus 11 is in fact +8, and that equals +8. So then this works. This is my final answer right here. This 11 over 10 is my final answer.